Today I want to provide a brief overview of using barcode scanning in conjunction with the CBS 880 bit tray and EDU 2AE top series controllers by Culver. Right out of the gate, you can see that we have slots 1 and 2 populated with bits. For ease during this demo, I've deactivated slots 3 through 8. There are two strategies when using barcode scanning with the bit tray. Strategy 1 is using a single program recall by removing these bits. Strategy 2 is using a sequencing strategy where you are setting a sequence and helping the operator to remove the appropriate bit for the program step in the sequence. Starting out with the program recall strategy, we're going to go into the sequence settings menu. We're going to turn the EXT box or external box on to activate the bit tray. We're going to turn the mod barcode onto on serial number. And so what on serial number does is it allows you to scan a unique barcode to activate the bit tray functionality, and that unique barcode follows the data export stream of the controller, so that way you can capture it if needed for data retention. So with this, what we're going to do is go back out to the operations menu. And as you can see, we are being asked to scan that unique barcode. And just evolving the earlier topic of the unique barcode, if you put it into this perspective, let's say you're building 200 parts a day. Each part has a unique barcode. You want to be able to scan each unique barcode and have it go out with a data stream. That is really how this function works when used with the bit tray. So we're going to go ahead and just scan our unique barcode. This is then going to activate the bit tray. You can see here we have select valid program. What I'm going to do is remove the bit from slot 1 to activate program 1. I could also remove the appropriate bit from slot 2 to activate program 2. Moving on to the sequencing side of things, what we can do here is go into the sequence settings menu. We have already set up our barcode on SN or serial number. We already have our external box on. Now we can go to sequence, turn this function on, and up here under sequence setting, I've already pre-programmed 1 and 2 for my programs. Going back out to the run screen, once again, I'm allowed to scan a unique barcode to activate the bit tray. But this time, what's going to happen is the individual LED will light up, identifying the exact program in the sequence for the operator to remove the bit for. So as you can see, I've activated program 1. I have a ready state on the controller. Off screen, I'm going to do 2 rundowns to satisfy the screw count of 2. And when that is complete, you can see what's happening is I'm being instructed to select the right program. Once again, my LED is flashing for program 2 this time. I'm replacing the bit, removing the bit for program 2, and satisfying the rundowns there to complete the sequence. The sequence is done. Everything is in a deactivated state. The screwdriver is not allowed to work. The bit tray is not allowed to work until you scan the unique serial number once again. The third way of working with this, and this is also a sequencing function, is we go back into our sequence settings menu. This time what we're doing is we're changing the mod barcode, and we are going to put this on sequence. We're also going to enter a barcode to recall the sequence that's preset. And so in this case, I'm being asked to scan a unique barcode that will recall the sequence, meaning we have to use the same barcode every single time. I've saved my barcode. And now I am ready to go back to the run screen. Now, with this one, it's asking me to recall that specific barcode that I saved. If I go and try to scan a incorrect barcode, I'm getting a repeat scan signal. Now I've scanned the correct barcode, and what's happening is, once again, the sequence now pulls up with program 1. And as you can see, removing this activates the sequence and so forth. And so if I completed all my screws for program 1, I'd be asked to remove the bit for program 2. When we hit the off or deactivated state, I would then be asked to scan that specific barcode to recall the sequence once again. So there are a couple different strategies for using the barcode in conjunction with the CBS 880 bit tray. If you have any questions, would like to see a demo, or learn more about the product line, please feel free to contact us, culver@culverusa.com, or visit our website, www.culverusa.com.